So when our Android phones feel slow and sluggish at times, we open the multitasking tray and close the open and unwanted apps to improve performance. But did you know that these apps can start themselves again automatically? So in this video, we are going to manage this problem by customizing the auto start apps that run when you start your Android device. Let's get started. Ideally, if an app needs to remain in the background to perform an important task, it will ask you to turn on auto start for it the very first time you use the app. However, if an app is not performing an activity that is expected to take place in the background when you are not using it, you can manually turn on auto start for it. Here are two different ways to do it. In the first method, long tap on the app icon and tap on the little eye icon. Now tap on battery usage. Enable the toggle for Allow Auto Launch. Auto Start is now enabled for the app. In the second method, if you want to enable Auto Start for multiple apps, then open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Select Auto Launch. Now you will find a list of apps. Simply turn on the toggle for the apps you want. So these were the two methods via which you can enable the auto start of a single or multiple apps. But what if you want to disable auto start for apps on your Android device? You can do that as well. Disabling apps has its own benefits too. You save memory, improve performance, and even save some battery in return. But do keep in mind that turning off auto start for a few apps may prevent you from getting notifications from the app. With this out of the way, here's how to disable auto start for apps on Android. Open the Settings app. Turn on Apps. Now tap on Auto Launch. You will see a list of apps that have auto start turned on. You can turn off the toggle to disable auto start for the desired apps. And that's it. You now have disabled apps from auto starting on your device. On Android devices, there is also an option to automatically shut down apps every time you exit them. For that, you will need to enable Developer Options. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app and tap on About Device. Now tap on Version. Tap several times on the build number until you get a message that says you are now in developer mode. Now all we need to do is open Developer Options. Open the Additional Settings menu inside the Settings app. Tap on Developer Options. Scroll down to find the Background Process Limit option. Check the box for No Background Processes. Alternatively, you can also turn off the toggle for Don't Keep Activities, which destroys all background activities of the application as soon as you leave the app. There you go. That is everything you need to know on how to enable or disable auto start for apps on your Android device. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.